Strengthening Faith 77. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the drastic increase in the number of youth getting involved in crime. Muslims must understand an important principle which can prevent the youth from reaching this outcome. Even though there are many obligatory duties on Muslims, yet the greatest of them is establishing the obligatory prayers. This is when one performs the prayers while fulfilling all their conditions and etiquettes, such as performing them on time. This is because abandoning the obligatory prayers, in most cases, is the first step which leads to major sins and misguidance. This has been indicated in the Holy Quran. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 45.
Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing.
The obligatory prayers act as a barrier which protects one from this misguidance. But when destroys this barrier, it is only a matter of time before they become misguided. This has been warned in chapter 43 Az-Zukhruf, verse 36.
And whoever is blinded from remembrance of the Most Merciful, we appoint for him a devil, and he is to him a companion.
One only needs to reflect on the people they know who have become misguided, and they will realize that, in most cases, the first step of their misguidance was abandoning the obligatory prayers. Therefore, it is vital for Muslims to establish their obligatory prayers correctly and ensure their dependents, such as their children, do the same. Parents must be proactive by encouraging children to offer their prayers, even before they reach the age it becomes obligatory on them. This has been advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 495. Delaying this important teaching will become a great regret for both the parents and the child, as encouraging an older child to establish their obligatory prayers when they are not used to it is extremely difficult. Parents should remember that they will answer for their failure to rightly guide their children on Judgment Day, as this was a duty on them. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2928. Chapter 66 at Tarim, verse 6.
O you who have believed, protect yourselves and your families from a fire.
One of the main reasons why the obligatory prayers act as a barrier from misguidance is that it constantly and regularly reminds a Muslim of their accountability on Judgment Day. The same way one stands in front of Allah, the Exalted, in the prayer, is the same way they will stand in front of Him on Judgment Day. The one who turns to Allah, the Exalted, throughout their day and are reminded of their inevitable reality, the more they will avoid doing the things which displease Him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.